Looking for a way to enjoy delicious grilled food all year round, without the hassle and mess of a traditional charcoal or gas grill? Look no further than these 6 electric indoor grills. With their smokeless and noiseless operation, removable non-stick grill plates, and even heating systems, you can easily cook up juicy steaks, burgers, vegetables, and more in the comfort of your own home. Plus, with their compact and portable designs, you can take them with you on the go for outdoor grilling and hot pot parties. Whether you're a beginner or a professional chef, these versatile and multifunctional grills are the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Are you looking for a versatile grilling machine that can do it all? Look no further than the Cuisinart GR-300WSP1. This smart grill has 6 cooking options in one machine, including a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, half grill/half griddle, and top melt. That means you can cook up just about anything you can imagine, from steaks to pancakes to sandwiches and more. But that's not all. The Cuisinart GR-300WSP1 is also incredibly easy to use. It features an electronic LCD display and blue LED indicator lights, dual zone temperature control, and a 60-minute countdown timer with user-friendly digital controls. Number 2. Introducing the Ninja AG301 Foodi, the original grill that sears, sizzles, and air fry crisps. This indoor grill and air fryer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Thanks to its cyclonic grilling technology, the Ninja AG301 uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air to perfectly cook or char-grill your food to your desired doneness on the grill grate for delicious, char-grilled marks and flavors. And with the BTU cooking power of an outdoor grill, it brings outdoor grill flavors conveniently to your countertop any day of the year. But that's not all. The Ninja AG301 also boasts incredible convenience features. Forget about defrosting, transform foods from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes. Number 3. Introducing the T-fal GC7 Opti-Grill, the first electric indoor grill that cooks by adapting its grilling cycles to the thickness of the foods. With 6 automatic cooking programs for burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat, and fish, this grill is perfect for any meal. The T-fal GC7 Opti-Grill has a large cooking surface of 600 square centimeters, and features easy monitoring of the cooking process with its preheating/ready indicator lights and audible beeps for rare, medium, and well done. And with 2 cooking modes, one for frozen food and a manual mode, you can cook anything the way you want. The T-fal GC7 Opti-Grill also features a large juice tray and plates with an angle of 7 degrees to ensure cooking juices run off, so you can enjoy delicious, juicy meals every time. And when it's time to clean up, the die-cast aluminum and removable non-stick plates make for effortless food release and cleaning. Plus, the dishwasher-safe drip tray and plates make cleaning even easier. Be sure to refer to the complete user guide before using the product, and enjoy delicious grilled meals anytime with the T-fal GC7 Opti-Grill. Number 4. Are you a fan of outdoor grilling, but don't always have the space or weather to do so? The COSORI electric smokeless indoor grill is the perfect solution for you. With 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology and temperatures up to 510 degrees Fahrenheit, you can create grill marks and crispy flavors in just minutes. But this grill is more than just a grill. It also has convenient functions such as air grill, crisp, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, preheat, and keep warm, so you can cook like a professional chef. And here's the best part, you can air fry your food with up to 85% less oil than traditionally deep-fried foods, making your meals healthier without sacrificing taste. Number 5. Are you looking for a noiseless, smokeless, and fatless indoor grill? The Zstar indoor grill may be the perfect choice for you. This electric grill works at a noise level of less than 60 dB, thanks to its latest ventilation design. It also allows you to barbecue indoors without worrying about smoke, producing 85% less fat than ordinary grilling and frying. What's more, the Zstar indoor grill heats up quickly and evenly. With its contact grill, steak will be ready in 6 to 8 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 minutes faster than other brands that need at least 15 minutes. Number 6. Say goodbye to the cloudy smoke caused by traditional charcoal or gas grills. With this smokeless grill, you can enjoy delicious grilled food anytime, anywhere without the mess and smoke. Whether it's in your RV, backyard or apartment, this grill is perfect for all occasions. Featuring a removable non-stick grill plate with raised lines, this grill effectively filters out excess oil while leaving behind the classic grill marks of a charcoal grill. Thank you for considering these 6 electric indoor grills. Each product has its unique features and advantages that cater to different cooking needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a multifunctional grill with a large capacity, a compact and portable option, or a smokeless grill for indoor and outdoor use, there's an option for you on this list. We hope our review has been helpful in your search for the perfect electric indoor grill for your home. Happy grilling!